Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today we're here to present about governance and risk management, ensuring effective oversight and mitigation. First of all, we need to define what is governance. Understanding governance, we'll start by defining governance. Governance is a framework of rules, practices, and processes that direct and control an organization. It ensures accountability, fairness, and transparency in the organization's relationship with its stakeholders. Key elements of governance include strong leadership, strategic planning, consistent oversight, and clear accountability. These components work together to guide the organization's overall direction and ensure it operates with integrity. Now we proceed with the key principles of governance. Governance is built on several key principles. First is accountability, which means holding individuals and groups responsible for their actions and performance. Next is transparency, ensuring that all important information is openly shared and easily accessible. Integrity is also crucial, requiring adherence to ethical standards in all activities. Responsibility involves clearly defined roles and duties within the organization, ensuring everyone knows what's expected of them. Lastly, fairness ensures that all stakeholders are treated equally. Together, these principles form the backbone of effective governance. Now we will proceed with understanding risk management. Now let us turn to risk. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risk to minimize their impact on organizations. This is vital for protection assessment, ensuring sustainability and preparing for potential threats. Risks come in many forms, including strategic risk and impact high-level goals. Operational risk related to internal processes, financial risk that can lead to economic losses, compliance risk tied to legal obligations, and reputational risk that could harm the organization's image. Proper risk management is about being proactive in addressing these challenges. Now let's proceed with the risk management process. The risk management process involves four key steps. First, identification of risk through assessment and audits. Next is assessment, where we evaluate the likelihood and impact of each risk using both qualitative and quantitative methods. After that, we move to mitigation, implementing strategies like avoidance, reduction, sharing, or retention to manage the risk. Finally, monitoring involves continuously tracking risk and adjusting our strategies that needed this ongoing process. Helps ensure that the organization remains vigilant and prepared for any challenges that arise. Now we proceed with the integration of governance and risk management. So finally, governance and risk management can be integrated to create more resilient organization. There's a natural synergy between the two. Effective governance strengthens risk management by providing clear guidelines and compatibility. For example, clear governance policy streamlines risk management procedures, ensuring everyone knows their role in mitigating risk. Creating a unified framework involves aligning governance and risk management process. This includes establishing roles through risk governance and also ensuring compliance and regulations. Lastly, monitoring performance to evaluate effectiveness. The benefits of this integration are significant. It improves decision making and providing clarity and consistency, enhances compliance with laws and regulations, and increases the organization's resilience. Its ability to withstand and recover from adverse events. In short, integrating governance and risk management is essential for building a robust, successful organization. And that's all. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your end of the presentation.